Was it a trick of the light? A camera malfunction? Or something truly otherworldly? A homeowner wakes up to a motion detection alert and checks his camera feed. What he sees is chilling. An elderly woman standing at his front door in the middle of the night, holding a knife. For 2 full minutes, the woman stands there, shifting her weight from side to side, her intentions unclear but undoubtedly troubling her. He sent the footage to the local police department, who confirmed something truly disturbing.